Taylor gang, paper planes.
I'll take those.
What I say? Keep count. What a nigga speak out.
Lamborghini dreams, beach house wishes, pour bottles of champagne for my beach house bitches. It ain't new to me, that money boy I been bout. Throwing hundreds on the floor, I tell her keep count. Nigga, they in love with what I say, cause I really live the life you other niggas speak bout. Got my cameraman, he down to do a movie for me. Couple niggas round us down to do the shooting for me. I'm still riding with my main bitch, she rolling the joint, something old school playing. She love me, we fucking, we in the flat free zone. When some niggas will captain save it, I let her shop till she drop dead. Sleeping in her crib, wake up to decent plot plan. Jordan shorts and a pair of polo socks blazing with your bitch. You wanna live, smoke this. I'm glad to be here, I've been waiting so long, so long, so long. I finally found me a cousin. Hold on, and I'ma float on, float on, float on, and I'ma float on, float on, float on, float on. And I don't have much, but I take all I got, and that's what I give. What I get in return is the money I earn and the life I live. I'm so gone, as I burn after all, and float on, and float on. Don't talk numbers, I hire people to speak for me. If you love her, then hide your bitch so you keep shorty. Ever fly private, so much diamonds in my chain, hella sky mileage. I fell asleep on the plane and never woke up, and now I'm living a dream. Suckers hate hard, hoes treat me like I'm a king. They wanna live comfortably sipping on champagne. Real niggas fuck with me, so drama is not a thing. I gave my mama the ocean, told her anything that come through the door to open the whole clip. I'm with your bitch, smoking, let her keep the mid. I'ma roll this potent. Hotel so close to the water, you can even hear the ocean. Them bitches can't breathe, beware them niggas with tattoo sleeves.